In this guide, I will show you how to add money to your Pandabuy account. Let's dive into the video. Open your web browser and navigate to the pandabuy.com. You can find the link under the description of this video. And then log into your account. Once logged in, locate your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select User Center. In the User Center, you'll find the Wallet option in the left menu. Click on it. To add money to your balance, click on Top Up option. Enter the amount you wish to add and then click Confirm. You'll be directed to the checkout page. Choose your preferred payment method, whether it's PayPal or card. If you're using a card, provide your card details and then click on Confirm Payment. Complete the payment process and the balance will be added to your Pandabuy account in no time. And there you have it. That's how you can add money to your Pandabuy account. I hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe.